Did you know Python can replace 10 lines of code with just one line? Pretty cool, right? In this video, you'll learn 5 powerful Python tricks that make your code shorter, cleaner, and more Pythonic. We'll cover 1. Reverse any list in one line. 2. Find duplicates instantly. 3. The one-line function trick. 4. Replace loops with this Python magic. 5. Swap variables in one line. Let's jump in. Trick number 1. Reverse any list in one line. Suppose we have a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Many beginners try to reverse this using loops, but Python provides a much cleaner solution using slicing. Just write numbers, bracket, colon, colon, -1. And instantly, the list becomes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The -1 step tells Python to move through the list backwards. Simple, fast, and very Pythonic. Trick number 2. Find duplicates instantly. Imagine this list 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. We want to know, does this list contain duplicates? Instead of writing complicated loops, Python gives us a clever trick using sets. A set automatically removes duplicate values. So all we do is compare the length of the list with the length of the set created from that list. If the lengths are different, duplicates exist. Clean, efficient, and surprisingly powerful. Trick number 3. Stop writing tiny functions. Sometimes we write small functions like this. Define square. Return x multiplied by x. But Python allows us to simplify this using something called a lambda function. Lambda x, colon, x multiplied by x. That's it, a function written in a single line. Lambdas are especially useful with tools like map, filter, and sorted. For example, filtering even numbers from a list. Filter, lambda x, modulus 2 equals 0. Lambda functions keep your code short, expressive, and readable. Trick number 4. Replace bulky loops with list comprehensions. Beginners often write loops to build lists. For example, creating a list of squares. First, create an empty list. Then loop through numbers. Then append each square. It works, but it's unnecessarily long. Python gives us a better solution. List comprehensions. We can write the entire logic in one clean line. X multiplied by x for x in range 5. And just like that, we get 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Shorter code, cleaner logic, and often faster execution. Trick number 5. Swap variables in one line. In many programming languages, swapping variables requires a temporary variable. Like this. Temp equals A equals B equals temp. But Python simplifies this beautifully. Just write a comma B equals B comma A. And Python swaps the values automatically. No temporary variable. No extra lines. Just clean, elegant code. And those were 5 powerful Python tricks that can dramatically improve how you write code. Once you start using these techniques, your programs will become shorter, clearer, and much more Pythonic. If you enjoyed this video and want more Python tips, tricks, and programming shortcuts, consider subscribing. And as always, happy coding!